Namaste parents.
Icon, the last ending
First of all,
speech.
I want to thank my mom and dad, my mother and father. Because today what I achieved is because of them. And I want to thank all my parents. Because this 7th annual day happened because all the support of our parents and all the support of our teachers and students, each and every single person who have been associated with the success of Alphabet School. Please clap. Please. Why this school has started, I want to tell. Tejasri ma'am completed her masters in biochemistry and she is a gold medalist. She worked as a lecturer and teacher. She used to get very high salary. Even though job is a very peaceful life, but she started school. Why? Because her aim is to give pure education. Here, pure education means not only giving book education. She want make our culture rich. With book education, she want to give values, life skills, behavior, discipline, well-mannered and well-cultured. Teachers are like trees. They give fruits. They not just produce the fruits. Their job is to produce the fruits. But they never expect back anything. Students are like pilgrims. They will come sit at the tree. They eat the fruits. They enjoy the shade of the tree and they move on. But tree knows who sat under the tree, who ate the fruit, who enjoyed the shade and everything. Like teachers are aim is to give knowledge, educate them. Teachers are emotionally involved to educate the student. Not only theoretical or practical understanding of the subject. By saying facts, sharing experiences, giving information, teachers they never expect back anything. They want to give complete knowledge. Our aim is to make each and every student make one to complete student. Today, our aim is keep going success. Thank you very much. On behalf of your kids, like your kids, how honor you, like I want to honor my parents on behalf of you. Your kids giving to honor to you. Like that I am giving honor to my parents.
Sorry.